Hey y'all, if you have a Tesla, this is what you should do when you get a nail in your tire or your flat tire and you're kind of stranded. First things first, I highly recommend AAA to have in case this happens on the street. Luckily this happened, the car was flat in the morning after we came home for the night because of this screw. You could hear it just pissing out. But if you're a Tesla owner, you should have one of these in your car. I highly recommend keeping one of these in your car just in case. And if possible, keep a compressor, keep it in the front, keep it in the trunk, keep it somewhere. That way you can be safe if it does happen on the side of the road. And like I said, just have AAA. But step one is gonna be taking the nail out, okay? And then what we're gonna do after that is we're gonna ream the hole with the reaming tool. So what that is, oh look at that, it's a small little nail. Look how small this nail is, crazy. This is a reaming tool. What you do is you stick that in where the nail was, and you'll see how that should just stop leaking air for a second. And you're gonna widen that hole. And this is in the center. This is why it's a safe repair. We're planning on probably taking this to Discount Tire after to see if they can fix it for us. Because I know Discount Tire offers free patch repairs from the inside the proper way. Let's keep on going at that. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to do too much. Usually I would go a little wider, but you see I'm kind of rotating while I'm spinning the tool while rotating just to help widen that gap, and I'm going inside and out too. We'll give it about a few minutes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our plug, stick it in between the remover tool. So I'm actually taking my phone down for a second to show you how to do that. All right, should be good. So I take one of these. And you're gonna run it in through the middle of this tool. And sometimes these tools, when you go to pull out of the tire, and I'm gonna use pliers for now, but again, for time's sake, obviously if you're in stranded and you have no tools, you have to just keep on going until it goes through. I'm gonna go halfway. I'm gonna bend it down like this. And then I'm gonna put some cement on there. You don't have to. If your kit doesn't come with the cement, you don't have to. Because mine did, I'm just gonna do it. Just put it all around, because you don't know what part of the patch is gonna actually be doing the fun stuff. So boom, boom. Just like that. Got it all nice and cemented. This is just gonna help seal it. Again, I've used it without the cement before and it was fine for temporary fixes. By the way, like I said, it's only a temporary fix. Now that we have that going, what we're gonna do now is take the ream tool out, put this in there, and then pull out as fast as you can. So again, I'm recording with one hand, so I'm gonna try demonstrating this. So pull that out, put this guy in. It's gonna be tough, especially because I didn't spend too much time on that hole. So like I said, making it bigger is always better. Push. So you'll see what I'm doing. I put my elbow towards my like my stomach. I would say abs, but I don't have abs. And I kind of make a lock in my arms. I put 0.5, so like I kind of lock my arm into my stomach, and then I'll actually use my body weight. So I'll push forward with my stomach and my arm at the same time, my forearm, my arm, and my stomach to drive this in as much as I can, without going all the way to the tire. Like I said, twisting sometimes helps. There you go. Now you can see that going in. Go back to 0.1. All right. And right about in there, right? I have both sides in. Everything is good. And the last part, okay, guys? Just a fast yank out to keep that plug in. 1, 2, 3, pull! Look at that. Under 5 minutes while instructing you all, okay? If you have a razor blade, now would be a perfect time to go cut this as flat as possible to the tire. I don't have a razor blade on me, but I do have these pliers, so maybe I can just cut it. Yeah, I will get my razor blade. I get a clean cut with a razor blade. But if you don't have a razor blade on you, you can go ahead and just drive this temporarily to where you gotta go. This is now where you would take a compressor, fill up your tires, and you're good to go. Obviously, you want a compressor that works with the car. So I was trying to keep this under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comment below. Peace.